Have you ever looked up the night sky and wondered what's the moon really? It's always there, calm, mysterious, and glowing above us. But there's so much more to it than just being Earth's silent companion. In this video, we're diving into the science behind the moon, how it formed, what makes it so fascinating, and why it plays such a big role in life on Earth. Hi, it's Drake and welcome to oDDrake channel, a channel for odd things. Today I'm gonna talk about the moon. But before that, ensure you like, subscribe, and I appreciate you if you give us your feedback in the comments. Now, how the moon formed? Scientists believe the moon was formed around 4.5 billion years ago, not long after the Earth itself. The most accepted theory is called the giant impact hypothesis. According to this idea, a mass-sized object called Theia collided with the early Earth. The impact was so massive that debris from Earth and Theia was thrown into orbit. Over time, the debris came together and formed the moon. One of the reasons scientists support this theory is because the moon's composition is very similar to Earth's outer layer. It's like the moon's made from the same stuff as Earth, just arranged differently. The moon's physical features. The moon's about 3.5 kilometers wide, roughly a quarter the size of the Earth. It's located around 384,000 kilometers away from us. One of the coolest things about the moon is its surface. It's covered with craters from asteroid impacts, mountain ranges, and large dark areas called maria, which means seas in Latin. The seas are actually ancient lava plains from when the moon was more geologically active. The moon also has about 1/60 of Earth's gravity, so if you weigh 60 kilos here, you'd weigh only 10 on the moon. That's why astronauts thought of the bonus when they walked there. Scientific missions and discoveries. Humans have always been curious about the moon. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission made history when Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on its surface. Since then, we've learned a lot from both crewed and robotic missions. Moon rocks brought back to Earth have given us a clues about the moon's age and its past. We've also discovered that the moon isn't just dry and dusty. It has water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. And we're not done yet. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the moon and eventually build a base there. The moon might even become a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. Now, I think we learned something good today.
Like what?
We'll learn everything about moon. So next time you look up the moon, remember it's not just a glowing rock in the sky. It's a piece of Earth history, a key to understanding our planet and possibly even our future in space. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to like, subscribe, give us your feedback in the comments, turn on the bell, and wait for us until next week.